Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on 13 July 2020 holds a meet with Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, Chief Secretary and Secretary Health to review and strengthen COVID-19 management in the state. A major decision was taken in the meet. It has been now decided to make it mandatory for private hospitals to reserve 20% of beds in their ICU exclusively for COVID management. The Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and shared more about the meet. Here's what CM Dr. Pramod Sawant posted. Chaired a meeting with Health Minister Shri Vishwajit Rane, Chief Secretary and Secretary Health to review and strengthen COVID management in the state. It has been decided to make it mandatory for private hospitals to reserve 20% of beds in their ICU exclusively for COVID management. Earlier on 13 July 2020, CM launched a drive to cover dairy farmers under Kisan Credit Card for making them eligible for Rs 1.6 lakh collateral free credit. On Sunday, CM Dr. Pramod Sawant had chaired a meeting with the Lear Bank, Goa Dairy, Sumul, Goa State Cooperative Bank and Department of AHNVS to cover dairy farmers under Kisan Credit Card, making them eligible for Rs 1.6 lakhs collateral free credit. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.